Hi, let's solve for y in this equation. Solution. Given 5 raised to power y multiplied by 5 raised to power y divided by 5 equals 15. Okay, now what we are going to do here is very simple. 5 raised to power y multiplied by 5 raised to power y is 2 brackets 5 raised to power y. So 5 raised to power y times 5 raised to power y is same as 5 raised to power y plus y. Okay, all divided by 5 raised to power 1 equals 15, because a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n will give you a raised to power m plus n, and this a raised to power 1 is same as a. So let's take our a as this one. Okay, now similarly we are going to subtract this to have 5 raised to power y plus y is 2y minus this one here. This is equal to 15, since a raised to power m divided by a raised to power m is still a to power m minus n. The log of both sides, taking the log of both sides, so I'll have log 5 raised to power 2y minus 1 is equals to log 15. Okay, remember that log m raised to power p is same as p log m. Let's apply it here so that we can have 2y minus 1 log 5 is equals to log 15. Good. Let's divide through by log 5. Okay? I can now have 2y minus 1 log 5 divided by log 5. Okay? Divided by log 5 is equal to log 15 divided by log 5. Alright, this log 5 and this log 5 can easily cancel, and we have here 2y minus 1 is equals to log 15 divided by log 5. Good. This can further be expressed as log 5 multiplied by 3 or divided by log 5. So I can have here 2y minus 1 is equals to log 5 plus log 3 or divided by log 5. Recall that log m multiplied by p is same as log m plus log p. Okay, that is what I have done here. From here, that is product rule. That's what I have done. Then divided by this log 5. Now this is same as 2y minus 1 equals log 5 divided by this log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5. Okay, so that this log 5 and this log 5 can still cancel. Then we have 2y minus 1 is equals to 1 plus log 3 divided by log 5. Let's apply change of base here. Log m divided by log p is same as log m base p. Let's apply it here. We are going to have log 3 base 5. So we can now have 2y minus 1 is equals to 1 plus log 3 base 5. Let's move this 1 to the right hand side. We can have 2y is equal to 1 plus 1 plus log 3 base 5. Okay, so that we can now have 2y is equals to 2 plus log 3 base 5. Divide through by 2 to find y. So we have 2y is equals to 2 plus log 3 base 5. So dividing through by 2, we can now have 2y over 2 is equals to 2 over 2 plus log 3 base 5 divided by 2. Alright, so these two can cancel. This one can go. We have y is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 log 3 base 5. So this is the final value of y. Alright, let's try and check if this is true. We had 5 raised to power y multiplied by 5 raised to power y all divided by 5 is equals to 15. But we expressed it and had 5 raised to power 2y minus 1 as what? 15. Good. Okay, substituting the value of y, we can now have 5 raised to power bracket. This is our y here. This is our y. 2 brackets 1 plus 1 all over 2 log 3 base 5. Then minus this one. Will it give us 15? Alright. 1, you have 5 raised to power 2. Then multiply by, here now we have 5 raised to power these 2 bracket 1 over 2 log 3 base 5. So you observe here now still multiply by 5 raised to power minus 1. So these two here can cancel these two. Okay? Remember, will it give us this 15? Let's proceed. So I can have here 5 raised to power 2 is 25. Then multiply by, this has cancelled. Okay? So we have 5 raised to power log 3 base 5. Since they have the same base, we are going to have this 3. Now, 5 raised to power minus 1 is same as 1 all over 5. So that is why I'm having divided by 5. Will it give us 15? Okay, see what I'm trying to do here. If you have a raised to power m divided by a raised to power m, that is a raised to power m minus n. Then a raised to power minus 1 is same as 1 over a. That is where I have 1 all over 5. Okay? Then when you also have 5 raised to power log 3 base 5, you're going to have 3 because this is the same base. Okay? So you have this 3 here. That is what we are going to do here. We now have 25 multiplied by 3 divided by 5. Will it give us 15? So you notice that when you cancel this 5 here, you have 5. Therefore, 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Remember, this is your cancelled and this is cancelled. Therefore, the value of y in this equation is equal to 1 plus 1 all over 2 log 3 base 5 is correct. Thank you. Please go through this and then comment the simpler way to solve it if you have. If you like this, kindly subscribe. Check my previous lessons and playlists for more Olympiad math problems.